You guys, I am so obsessed with this 19 flap in the purple color. I need it, and it's my favorite color. It's my favorite shade of color. I just need this. So if you guys know of anybody, or if you can help me find this item, I would be very, very grateful. I will leave email down below. Please message me if you can find this item, and I need help. Hi everybody, I'm doing a really upsetting, frustrating video to me, but I feel like it would be very helpful to anybody watching, that you don't do the same mistake that I did. First of all, I am wearing my Chanel earrings. I actually have never worn them. This is my first time wearing them, and I don't know if I like it on me as much as I like it on other people. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm thinking of maybe selling it, even though I know I just bought it and I've, like I said, never worn it except for today. I don't know. I'm just like really like, it's not as like breathtaking as I had anticipated. Anyways, moving on. So I filmed the unboxing video of this item, and I'll show the snippet of it. But anyways, this is the item in question. This, as you guys know, I have the Chanel 19 flap in the black goatskin leather, and then this is a fake. I got scammed, y'all. It was so frustrating. The one thing that I did learn from this experience, I know this is the second time that's happened to me, which sucks because this seller had great reviews, and I guess I fell for it. Anyways, when something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Had to learn it the hard way. But the good thing is, I already started the claim on it. I did purchase this on eBay. The seller is refunding me my money, but before I ship it out, I thought it'd be helpful to do the video so nobody out there gets scammed. So this is how it looks. The lighting is kind of washing it out, but it's a really pretty like nude color. I don't know if I can, it's just so light that my light is washing it out. But yeah, so my first giveaway is definitely the leather. So I'm gonna compare it, which honestly, if I did see this from a distance, I probably wouldn't have known. Maybe, you know, maybe, but just because I have an authentic one already, it made it easier for me to figure out. Also, I did get it authenticated. Okay, first giveaway to me is the leather. If you can see this, it's like really like smooth. It's like hard to explain, but if you compare it with the authentic one, you can see that the authentic just has more texture to it, and it's more squishy and soft, opposed to this one, which is a little bit more firm. That's the first giveaway. Second giveaway are the handles. So you see how this is really thick and sturdy? Well, this is not. Also, watch this. What is that? Do you see that? It doesn't even lay how it's supposed to. Like, it's so obvious how terrible that is. And then it's also, so I mean, it is sewn on a leather piece on top, right here. You see the leather? Well, this one is the same thing, however, it's not even. Can you see? This is higher, and this slopes down, and this slopes up. So weird. So that's a dead giveaway. Another thing is the chain widths. They're not the same width. And this is more yellow, which is the fake, compared to the authentic one. Same thing with the rest of the hardware, which actually I was surprised because they kind of got it where it's like gold, gunmetal, shiny silver, but not good enough. So we will go through it. First part, gold, and then we go to the silver or the ruthenium, and you can see that this is a lighter ruthenium. And then we go to the silver. The silver is actually, they got this pretty good. And then going back to ruthenium and back to the aged gold. So, I mean, I kind of knew. Plus, it's a little thinner. It's not, it doesn't feel as sturdy. But, yeah. And then, actually, I was surprised because the closure is pretty good, if you ask me. The closure bits, pretty good. And then, the turn lock, you can kind of tell, though, because it's not as smooth and it's not very shiny. It's not the same screws that they used on the flap. I hope you guys can see that. Get closer. So this has smaller screw heads opposed to this screw head. So that's a giveaway. Also, obviously the date code. This is pretty good because they got the closures pretty good. But still, the date code, you can tell it was off. And then also this card, it doesn't feel as, it feels really like plasticky. Not, your authenticity code card should feel more like a credit card, not like flimsy. Not as flimsy. My final giveaway is the size. If you can see, my authentic one is longer at the base. The width is pretty similar, but also mine is taller. So they got the measurements wrong on this one. But I don't know, everything, like I said, it's a super fake. Also the back closure right here, the magnet is really good as far as like the clasp and the closure of it, because mine is really good too. Like, it closes automatically once you put it on. Because even the quilting, they actually got it pretty dead on. It's just that I knew as soon as I opened it, like, something feels off. Like, the smell is off, the texture is off, and then obviously because I'm obsessed with that so much, I look at it every day, it just felt off. And you know, like, you probably know, but you know, women's intuition, and I just had an intuition, not when I bought it, but as soon as I opened it, because it wasn't too far off from retail. But still, because it's so sought after, I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I found it. And I got it, and it was a pretty good deal. It's less tax. It's less with tax if I were to purchase it in store. Does that make sense? But I am getting my money back, and this is not terrible. But that chain is just like really awful. Look at that. Like, they couldn't even make it lay better. How is that supposed to lay? That's gonna be so uncomfortable even if you put it on this side. anyhow, this is that. And then also I wanted to show you guys the packaging it came in. So they tried to make it look like it's authentic. Came with like a Chanel. And then this is the dust bag, which I don't know, seemed off. And then this is the box. The box, the alignment is off. You see that? It's not centered. Also, the paper actually does say Chanel on it, but it's like backwards. Does that make sense? Or maybe that's just the way they put it. I don't know. But it came with all this, like the authentic ones do. But even if this like box thing is authentic, I know for a fact this is fake. Alright you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't get scammed out there. I will put the email or the username of the eBay seller down below in case you do see this pop up. It's fake. Don't buy it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.